got it here, fireball fire extinguisher. Check this out, but this one's a bunch of different design, even a custom one. So let's see what this one is all about. This is supposed to be a really good brand, and I picked out this color right here. Very unique, don't you think? I think the way it activates, there's a fuse maybe. Anyways, the idea, I guess, to place it somewhere above the possible fire hazardous places. And where does this go? Maybe like that? Yeah, maybe like that. I don't know, there's a couple of screws over here. Anyways, the point of it, you can attach it to the wall to where it sits like that. You can easily grab it, and there's a fire extinguisher sign that you can install as well, or you can set it down in a case of fire. You can grab it and throw it into the fire. So very unique piece over here, but this one is big. All it is just plastic over here that make it different color. I haven't put to the test this brand. It's supposed to be a really good fireball brand, a little bit more expensive than the other one, but hopefully it will work even better. So what I will do, just throw it in a fire and see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna start the fire inside of it, and I'm gonna place this thing in here. So this will be placed in a possible areas where there might be a fire. Just like that. So we'll let it burn out, and we'll see what happens once it reaches to the... So I'm far away, as you can see right now, it's not touching the ball, the flames, so it's not going off. Once it's touching the flames and will be hot enough, it will go off. Looks like it won't be that long. So let's just sit here in the back and wait. You see the way I laid it, it's so it's not touching that ball. I'm surprised it's not going off yet. I guess the flames are not touching this thing yet, but it will go off in a minute. Oh my god, that fireball, the biggest I ever seen. That's insane. That is cool. So yeah, definitely way more powerful than they put to the test the other ones, and you want to be very far away from that. Oh my gosh. So a little bit pieces of foam over here left over, and as you can see, it's that powder that the fire extinguisher has inside of the foam, but it definitely has some kind of boomstick inside of it. So definitely want to stay away from this one, far away. Kind of wish I put the camera way farther away, because that was huge. Got it here, another weird charcoal over here. So it comes with the fire starter. I got two of them. Boom. So this one, pretty sure made all out of wood, and this is a piece of charcoal stamped together and drilled out bunch of holes for the ventilation or whatnot. So anyways, and there's a fire starter over here. Oh wow. This is like some kind of wax. And also we'll compare it to this one. This one is really easy to light with one match. Okay, let's try to light it with the lighter first of all. This one. Impossible. So that's why you will have to have one of these fire starters, I guess. I'll just put it on top of it, because it will just melt. I don't know. Too windy over there, but I guess that's kind of cool fire starter. It's melting into this thing, so it's gonna start it up hopefully soon, but I should probably put it upside down so I'll burn it better. So I'm giving this one quite a few of a head start. The fire starter is good, melting pretty good, but you know what, let's start this one. There you go, it's sparking up. That's it. Ah, it went off. But it works like a fuse. There you go. You see it? Probably much not powerful enough. You need some good, whatever you called, good lighter. But yeah, look how powerful that is. That's crazy. So yeah, I had a huge head start on the other charcoal, and look at that one, burning a lot faster. And it's gonna go on the inside too, so I don't have to worry about it. It's gonna be burning from the inside out. So yeah, all of a sudden with this one way ahead, and I gave it this one 5 minutes head start. And check this out, it's already hot. And look, it's burning from the inside. So yeah, this one is way better because it's already hot. You could almost cook on it, but I would wait till it stops hissing and get a little hot. You have 2 hours on this one. This is might be stay hot longer, but it is a bit harder to get it going. Let's flip it over. Oh yeah, it's finally got it going too. So you just have to sit there and wait. Maybe I would have put a couple of fire starters to get it going. But yeah, now they're both burning. It's just a lot easier to get this one going. It will get hotter much quicker. Okay, fire starter went out. Ooh, it is hot on one end though. So I probably would put 2 fire starters in. So let's do one more to just kind of try to catch up to the other one. You know what, I greatly underestimated that log because look, it's hot on that one side. So maybe I should have put 2 or 3 of those things to get it going a lot faster. This one's still lighting up. So I actually overestimated this one, but it's still very easy to light it up. Imagine how fast this one will light up if we put a fire starter on it too. So even faster. But it is all hot as well. This one is hot too. So I'd say they're both awesome. This one comes with plenty of fire starters. This one doesn't even need one, and if you do use one, it'll be even faster. You see how it sparks up slowly? So it looks like they're burning at pretty similar heat now. This one, I would say from inside mainly. This one too, halfway, but should have put maybe 3 fire starters on it. But look, there's actual flames coming out. I gotta be careful not to melt my camera. It's really hot. And this one too, very hot. Look at that. So yeah, both of these very unique charcoals. I never seen anything like that before. Just wanted to show it to you too. Got it here, Fire Log by KFC. Fire chicken scented fire log. When I opened it up, I actually smelled quite strong. I didn't expect it, so I had to keep it outside, and I think I'll test it on the outside. It's limited edition item, so let's see what's in here. Oh, it smells way too strong, but all you're gonna do is set it on fire and it's supposed to smell like KFC. Let me open it a little bit to see what it looks like. Looks like it's all made out of paper. Yeah, it smells so strong and not good. Hopefully it doesn't smell as bad whenever you're burning it. I have a little fire already going. Let's see. KFC Fire Log. Burning up pretty quickly. Wow. See, that is saturated with something, that's for sure. Instantly. But of course it's paper. Paper gonna burn off quickly. Will the other paper log get on fire pretty good? And let's try to smell it. Oh yeah, I smell it for right now. I'm smelling more like candle and fire starter, like wax, but I'm trying to stand in front of the smoke. And it's not bad actually. You could probably burn it inside of the house. It does not make it super stinky. And that's what that log is made of. It is definitely giving off a lot of fire. So yeah, not bad. It doesn't stink too bad. But let me blow my nose. Hopefully I can smell it better. Well, the quality of the flame is really good. And I'm trying to smell it, really sniff it. I cleared out my nose. And it does smell like chicken and wax. So it's definitely saturated with some wax. And it's not very strong, so I could probably burn it inside of the house and wouldn't be that bad. As long as you like scented chicken smell. So it's just super weird. But I'll tell you what, that log is pretty nice. It's gonna burn for a while. You know, I put some other sticks on it, and it actually smells way better. Smells kind of sweet chicken or something. Very cool. It's just so weird to smell firewood like food. It's been good 40 minutes and I just broke it apart with this stick, and look at these flames. This thing is pretty amazing. those logs, just one log, I don't know what they saturated with, but they burn really good, as you can see. The dogs definitely smelling the chicken. You see them sniffing and holding up the nose. They're like, you're gonna give us chicken? That is ultimate tease, I guess. But yeah, that one fire log burning a long time. Look at that flame too. Pretty cool. Got it here, Airsoft EG18 wire pull smoke. Looks like this one should be green. They say approximately 100 seconds. So you open up, there's a wire pull. You wait till it starts smoking, so you don't start the fire. And there you go. You have here 100 seconds of smoke. People use them for lots of videos, YouTube videos, photography. This is one of the coolest smokes. Whew. Check this out. This is a heavy smoke right here. Love it. It looks like a genie. So heavy. And it looks like 100 seconds, so you can just count for yourself how long is the video. Wow, right now there was sometimes gushes of wind, so far we didn't have any, so just go and stir it up. Beautiful signal. Ooh, this is such a thick smoke. Beautiful. You see how it kind of covered it up? Big signals over here. Hopefully there is no helicopters, so they don't think I'm trying to signal a helicopter, but I don't think so. I don't think there's any. Wow, that is a heavy smoke. Check this out. Unbelievable. It looks like animation. Love it. That is so cool. So yeah, this is the best smoke grenades for cinematography. I know, maybe even baby, whatever you call it, whenever gender party. People use them for so many different things, but they're meant for airsoft. That's it. Pretty awesome. I think it was around 100 seconds, easily 100 seconds, a little bit less than 2 minutes. Boom. Love this thing. Got out here a bunch of fuse color smokes. Let's see how they work. So you got out here yellow, white, green and blue. That's pretty cool. Quite windy. Mixing it now a little bit. Yeah, this is a rapid smoke for sure. Cannot see nothing. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh wow, it's long lasting, nice. Okay, there you go, wind is in my favor now. That's beautiful. So it's quite nice. I thought they would just burst out already and there'll be no more smoke. But actually looking good. Amidst a lot of smoke. White one was the first one light up, it's out. Green one has a pulse. It's weird. But yeah, pretty consistent. For some reason, green and blue way longer. And the blue is such a unique smoke. Just maybe more consistency of a smoke, but lasts longer. That's weird. Green one lasted the longest. But yeah, there you go. That's what you can expect from these little things. Yeah, I bought it years ago. I had it for, I don't know, maybe 4 years now. 2016 I bought it. They still work. Got it here, next level charcoal, Dragonfire. Let's see what I got. So instead of having pieces of charcoal, you have pieces of sticks like that with a hole inside of it. Some of them kind of broken off. I guess it's normal. Some of them a lot taller, but you probably could break it off easily and set it up. So you could even stand them up like that or laying down, highly ventilated. So let's start it up, see how they're going to burn. Also it says it's made from blend of woods. Let's try it out. Will it stand up? Yeah, it will. If you stand them up, enough of them, they can stand up and have a nice airflow. I guess you can lay one down for the support, a couple of them down, the taller ones, and the rest stand up. Also, you can break them up into smaller pieces, whatnot. Okay, let's see if it starts with a match. Probably not. Yeah, we need some kind of fire starter. Let's see if one of these will do it. So I think what I'll do, just take the middle one out and drop it in there. It's still going. Cool, put it in. Let's see if it's gonna get on fire. I love how the flame coming from that hole, so highly ventilated. That's good. So it's actually been 20 minutes and nothing super fast about this charcoal. I would say it's pretty similar to what I had before, but I do like those ventilation holes. So you still need to maybe one of those charcoal buckets to start it up. It's pretty unique. I'm sure it will emit heat even better because it has these unique holes. But yeah, I feel like it's starting pretty slow anyways, because we've been waiting on this thing for at least 15 minutes now. So we need one of those charcoal starter gadgets anyways. I actually ended up leaving for a couple of hours. I just covered up the lid and it is very hot still. I can't believe it. Whoa, that is super hot, even touching that to the side. So I don't know how it's possible, but this is a very long lasting charcoal over here, that's for sure. I can't believe how long it lasts. That's crazy. So this is definitely a very different charcoal. I really like it a lot. I'm gonna put this basket right on top of it to show you how hot it is. Instantly. Just a regular basket gets on fire instantly, so you can tell this is a very hot charcoal.